Are you feeling totally buried under emails, meetings, and just endless tasks? What if I told you you could get back an entire day of your work week? Seriously, that's not some fantasy, it's what the right AI tools can actually do for you. Now, if you want to get way more productive, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right below because today we are cutting through all the noise to show you 10 incredible AI tools that are going to 10x your output in 2025.
So here's the game plan. First, we're going to face the enemy head-on, the modern work overload. Then we'll fight back with some amazing AI tools that can finally tame your calendar, put an end to those boring repetitive tasks, and just supercharge your content. And stick around for the end, because we're going to meet your new AI teammates. All right, let's dive in.
So why does this matter so much right now? Well, it's because the way most of us are working is, well, it's just not working. It's totally unsustainable. All those constant pings, the notifications, the context switching, it's not just annoying. It is scientifically proven to absolutely drain our focus. And the numbers behind all this, they are just staggering.
1,602. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's the average number of unread emails sitting in a personal inbox. And look, this isn't a sign that you're disorganized. It's a sign that the whole system is broken. We are literally losing the battle for our own attention. And you know, it's not just email. Get this. We lose almost 2 hours every single day just searching for stuff. Information, files, that one message someone sent last week. That's basically a full day of your work week every week just gone. Poof. Vanished into these digital scavenger hunts across Slack and Teams and Google Drive. This is the exact kind of productivity black hole AI was made to fix. And all this digital chaos, it has a very real-world cost. The Harvard Business Review actually calculated that all those unproductive meetings and constant notifications cost companies over $37 billion a year. That's not just lost time, folks. That's where our best ideas and our deep, focused work go to die. Okay, enough about the problem. Let's talk solutions. We're going to start with the two biggest time thieves in the office, your calendar and your inbox. It's time to meet your new AI-powered personal assistants. Here we've got three of my absolute favorite allies in the war against meeting madness. You've got Fathom and Otter.ai, which are total geniuses at summarizing your calls so you can actually pay attention. And then there's Xambly, which is basically an AI chief of staff for your entire schedule. Let's take a closer look at one of them. Just look at these numbers for Fathom. The return on your time is just incredible. 95%, almost everybody who uses it, says they can finally stay fully present in meetings. No more frantically typing notes while trying to listen. It saves teams over 6 hours a week and instantly pushes action items to your other apps. That's not just saving time, that's building momentum after every single call. Okay, so meetings are handled. Awesome. But what about all those other mind-numbing tasks? You know what I'm talking about. That endless, repetitive work that just crushes your creative energy. Well, it's time to let AI automate the boring stuff. On this slide, we have a trio of tools built specifically to handle that high-volume, low-creativity work. Scribe is for documenting processes, Nanonets is for digitizing physical paperwork like invoices or IDs, and Magical automates all those little tasks you do over and over again in your web browser. This right here is the power of smart automation. I mean, creating a how-to guide used to take hours, right? With a tool like Scribe, it takes seconds. You literally just hit record, you do the process once, and bam! It automatically generates a perfect step-by-step guide with screenshots and text. A 93% time reduction? Come on, that's not just an improvement, that is a total game changer. All right, if you have ever had to write anything for work, I'm talking emails, blog posts, social media, anything, this next section is for you. We're going to look at how AI is completely destroying that blank page problem and revolutionizing content creation. Here we have a whole suite of AI writing assistants. Copy.ai is an absolute powerhouse for generating first drafts of pretty much anything, from social media captions to ad copy. Quillbot is like your personal editor, helping you paraphrase, summarize, and check your grammar. And Juma, which used to be Team GPT, is built for collaborative teams who are trying to scale up their content production. And you know, these tools are getting smarter every single day. Copy.ai doesn't just spit out generic text. You can actually train it on your company's specific brand voice. And for any business out there worried about privacy, which is a huge concern, their enterprise version is SOC 2 compliant and will not use your data for training. Trust me, that is a massive deal. So up until now, we've looked at tools that automate specific tasks. But the next wave of AI, it's something else entirely.
We're moving into what some people are calling the agentic era, shifting from simple tools to true intelligent collaborators.
So what in the world is an AI agent? Well, it's not just a little script that follows orders. It's an autonomous system that can analyze data, learn, adapt, and make its own decisions. Think of it less like a hammer and more like a digital coworker.
This is the fundamental leap, right here. Traditional automation is rule-bound. It's all if this, then that. It does exactly what you tell it to. But AI agents are context-driven. They don't just follow orders. They learn, they adapt, and they actually collaborate with you to reach a goal. The entire definition of automation is changing right before our eyes.
And this really gets to the heart of this whole new era. It's not about AI replacing humans, it's about augmenting us. This new partnership is designed to free us up from all that repetitive, analytical work so we can focus on the things we humans do best: strategy, creativity, and empathy.
This brings us to this big idea of the agentic enterprise, a totally new kind of company where digital agents are a core part of the team working right alongside people. This isn't about adding another tool to the pile. It's about completely rebuilding the foundation of how a business operates and innovates. So from simple inbox tools all the way to true digital teammates, AI is here and ready to partner with you. The real question is, are you ready for it? We've covered a ton today, from reclaiming your time to automating those tedious tasks. I'd love to know, which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of work. Thanks for watching.